it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns, and today I'm coming on to show you some cards made with the Santa Workshop suite. You probably know that the new autumn-winter catalogue came out at the beginning of the month, and I have been making some Christmas cards with some of the products from the Santa suite, which is on page 19 of this catalogue. Now, if you haven't got a demonstrator, live in the UK, and would like one of these catalogues, please get in touch. LynnieCDesigns at gmail.com, and I will be happy to organise to get one to you. So these two cards were made with this suite, and I think they're just so cute, so I'm going to make a different version of this. The Signs of Santa stamp set has got 18 stamps. They're all very cute, and there is a framelit set that has 14 dies, and I decided to use this for class yesterday, so I will share the card that we made for class, but I kind of set them up, and I made I actually die cut a lot of the images out so that my ladies just had to colour them in, so some were left over, so I kind of decided to make these two little cards. But today I'm going to make a different version, but with some of the images from the DSP pack. Now, the DSP is wonderful because it is flocked. So the white bits on on the hats and some of the toys are flocked, and they're just beautiful. It's a specialty designer paper, and all these white stripes on this paper here, it's gorgeous, is flocked. And then you've got snowmen and the snowflakes and the snowballs are flocked, so they're absolutely beautiful. As with always, our paper is double-sided, so you can see the double-sided, and it's so easy to cut these images out, but some of the images actually match the framelits, and that's what I'm going to use on today's card. And I have ahead of time used the framelits and die cut these two little images out, and I just think they are so cute, so I'm going to use them on my card. I've got Night of Navy base standard card for the UK. I've got a panel of white, which I'll put for the inside, and then I've got a scrap of white, which, because I want to make some sort of snowbanks for Santa and the little elf to sit on. But before I do that, I'm just going to create sort of a snow blizzard, and I'm using this speckly stamp from Waterfall stamp set and our lovely Whisper White pigment ink, and it's so quick and easy. I've recently re-inked this stamp pad, and the only thing you have to do is just be a little bit wary of allowing it time to dry. But you can see just very quickly gives you a little snow blizzard. How amazing is that? So close that up, put that to one side, and I will do the snowbanks. So this is cut to the same width as the card, which is 14.4, if that's right. And I'm going to create a sort of a little snowbank just by pulling the card towards me. Now, I'm very conscious in the UK of making the not making too much dimension to my card, so this is going to be a two layer card. So I've got some Memento ink. And I'm just, oh, let's get that the right way up. Oh, got some craft ink on there. And I'm just going to stamp that down there, wishing you everything on your list. And then on the inside, and more. So that's it for the stamping. Get that out of the way. And I've also cut out this little stack of prezzies, which is really cute. And the white on here and the white on here is flocked. So just a little bit of Memento ink. Oh. And we can add that to the bottom on the inside. Just so cute. Now I'm going to just pause the video and use my heat tool to make sure that that's completely dry. So there we go, that's completely dry. So I'm going to put the tiniest bit of glue on that. To check that that is on there, and that's just so cute. Now what I have done on my other cards is, using my Wink of Stella, I've just gone along that edge, just adds a little bit of shimmer to that snowbank, and I think that's all it needs. So I'm going to put a little bit of tiny bit of glue on there. These images are just so cute, and I think this just adds a nice little touch. Look at that. And then pop that on the inside. So all the details for these kind of cards will be on my blog, and I will share all of the dimensions. There'll be links to my online shop, and again, if you like what you see, I know this is a very quick and simple card, but actually sometimes that's just what we need, but they are so cute. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye for now.